I'm just staying in the Westport Plaza Hotel for the night tonight, Saturday night. I'll be booking out again tomorrow morning. I'm just in the room now and I'll just show you around for anyone who's interested. So you have a large bed there with two lamps either side of it. Really nice. It's a fine size room actually. I really like the three lights up there, and there's another lamp there in the corner. Then you have your TV. You have your a small little table again here with a little chair. So, and a nice mirror as well. Picture. You have your glasses up here, and then you have your tea and your coffee here, and a cupboard underneath. And also you have your wardrobe space with hangers, and a really decent sized room as I've shown you. So when you come into the bathroom here, you'd first just on your left hand side you have your bath, and there's a mirror just behind the bath. Then you have a mirror in front here. Then you have your toilet. Then you have a mirror in front of the sink, a really nice sink, and a bit of room underneath. And then you have a really nice shower, really decent sized shower as well. So yeah, all in all, a really nice luxurious bathroom, and a very nice room also. As you can see, very spacious. I was very impressed the minute you walk in. It kind of hits you how big it actually is. Yeah, the Plaza Hotel, it's very nice. So for anybody who is interested in possibly staying in the Plaza Hotel in Westport, I'll leave a link in the description below to the website, so you get their phone number and all the details there. Yeah, I would highly recommend the Plaza Hotel in Westport. The staff are very friendly on check-in and everything, and yeah, I'm just going to go down to the hotel bar now for a quick pint before I enjoy the night later on. Okay, thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.